Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 21st, 2022. Litecoin. Yep, it's about time for me to come through and give you all a price prediction into the market in Litecoin. You guys can see in front of your screen, I have not done a price prediction on my last video, which was on April the 21st. Now I got a little bit more information to where we can actually try to tell where prices are going to go. So everyone, welcome to the channel. This is what I do. I do the price prediction without the confusion. You guys will begin to learn that you can actually predict prices and see where prices are going to go without using technical indicators, without reading articles, without paying attention to certain type of influencers or tweets or anything else. All you had to do is come in and look at the price chart. This is the historical information as to how people have been acting in Litecoin. And once you are able to distinguish which side of the market is actually winning between the buyers and the sellers, you guys can actually predict where prices are going to go. So welcome on board. Go ahead, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to my channel. I've been doing this for a while, and I got all of my evidence, all of my price predictions and videos in a playlist. If you guys want to verify and certify what I am doing is actually correct, just go back and look at all the historical information, all the videos that I've done is still there. I'll always come back and show you all how I've done in my price predictions. It's not a game. This is real. I'm actually showing you instances to where you can actually win in the market. So check this out. So April the 21st was the last time that I did a video for Litecoin. I didn't do a price prediction because it was mixed, right? It was mixed between the buyers and the sellers. I wanted us to see whether or not the buyers will be able to uphold Litecoin's price around $100, maybe 95, right? I wanted us to see that because that was very important. We've seen buyers back in 2020 of December of the buyers holding price. They did it again in January of this year, and they really held it for a long time in February and March time frame of this year. Now here we are today. Look at the result. We fell. So what does that mean? Well, it simply means that the buyers didn't show up. See, just because buyers showed up previously historically doesn't mean that they're going to do it into the future. This is what happened in Litecoin. The buyers did not show up, so we fell. Now, given that that's the case, we are confident into knowing that this cryptocurrency is still in a downtrend, right? We're still in a downtrend into the market in Litecoin. So we need to focus our attention as to, okay, if that's the way the market wants to go, we are not going to get in the way. If it wants to fall, we're going to let it fall. And it's been doing just that. Now, zooming out, because you guys can see that the market actually bounced in Litecoin right here around $55. Okay. So if we were to take this area and take it to the left, we should be able to see that this market in Litecoin has confirmed this price level as support numerous times. Okay, let's see it. Look at this on the weekly time frame. So you guys can see how the market in Litecoin, I really like this area down here for support now. Okay, right around here. Now, is it clearly defined at that area of support? No, it's not. Because we got another support area down here around $38, $40, give or take. So the question is, are we done? Right? Are we done with seeing this price in Litecoin fall? When we create these support areas, like I said, right there around $50, then $40, we can say, no, we're not done yet. It's possible, but the market price in Litecoin is not done with going down. Let's look at Litecoin the 2-day though, because I want us to focus in on all of this volume right here. Okay. This volume increase resembles the market trying to stop falling. This volume increase represents buyers. Somebody stepping in trying to buy up this currency because they're tired of seeing the price fall, right? Eventually, as price continues to fall off, somebody's going to find the price attractive. This high volume represent that. Somebody is finding the price in Litecoin right now as being attractive. But when you look at the price bars though, it doesn't look as if it's convincing, right? We're still seeing how the market in Litecoin is still closing on the low end of these 2-day price bars. So there's still sellers. A lot of this volume is also mixed in with people still trying to sell. This lets us know that this market is not extremely strong or bullish. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch this over to the 3-day then. Maybe we got something different on the 3-day. Look at this. So on the 3-day time frame, we are definitely seeing support right here. Okay, right there around $64. This is where the buyers are propping up the price. This is where they're staking their stronghold. They don't want the price in Litecoin to fall below $64, which is good, because now we got a basis as to what we need to do if price in fact does fall below $64. We know we need to cut the play, because the buyers left. They're not there. When buyers leave, guess what? We leave too, if we're looking for the market to go up. Look at this on the 5-day. So this, to me, when I look at this chart, it just resembles the market's trying to take a break from it going down. Okay. That's it. We're just taking a break. I mean, we saw the market in Litecoin fall off from the high from March 27. 2 months later, price already fell almost 50%. At some point, we had to bring some more life into the market, try to lift it up to bring people back in. And I think that's the process that this market in Litecoin is trying to do now. Now, let's go ahead and see if we could draw on a price prediction real quick, okay? Because I'm not one of the ones to give you some outlandish price prediction, price target. I'm going to keep it real. And I think that the market in Litecoin is going to try to give us a small increase in price. Not massive, not big, but just a small movement to the upside. I think the market is due for a lift in price, okay? So now, let me go ahead and draw this on the chart, show you where I'm looking for the market in Litecoin to go. We already know everything's going to be contingent on that $64 price. Market has to hold that, and it's been doing a fantastic job. I mean, when I look at this on the daily time frame, look at all these daily price bars right here. The market in Litecoin is not even falling. It is maintaining itself above $64. I like that, because it lets me know that the market is not trying to fall. So we're going to continue to ride that. Now, with that considered, with that being the answer so far, we can also see where market is getting hung up to where buyers are not able to break price, which is right here around $73. So guess what? That's going to be our first price target, meaning as price in Litecoin continues to go up, we're going to take off some profitability, right? We're not here to be greedy. We're simply here to make money. And if the market's just going to give us 5.86%, then we need to take it and move on to the next opportunity. So that's the first price target there. My second one is going to be up here. Okay. It's going to be up here towards like $83. Okay. That gives us 19.25%. That's about it. Let me show you all on the hourly time frame to see where that area really looks to be. So this, I will say maybe around $81. Okay, that's going to be my second price target, 81, which gives us 15%. 15%. Okay. Now let's say that the market continues to trade this way for a while. The longer that we see the market hold $64, the greater the move is going to be up. So we can actually see the market hit like 92 the longer that we see buyers not letting price fall below 64. Okay. So that's like what? 32.25% movement higher in price. I'm not going to put that on the chart yet because I want us to really see strength continue to reflect itself in the market in Litecoin. Okay. So I'm going to look for the price in Litecoin to go up as long as price maintains $64. Just that simple. You got the two price targets I mentioned earlier. Now I want to know, what do you all suspect the price in Litecoin is about to do? Go ahead and drop me a price prediction real quick. Make sure you maintain your profitability, and as always, got to trade different.